Good afternoon to all of us. I will discuss about select and use ICT tools for teaching and learning. The current systems employ technologies by integrating ICT tools and applications in education and instruction. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. This refers to various tools and devices or gadgets used in communicating, disseminating, creating, storing, and managing information. It is important that learners should understand how to use these tools in helping them learn. So, it discusses the integration of information and communication technology tools in education and in instruction, which are devices or applications used for communication, creating, storing, and managing information. So, this emphasizes the importance of learners understanding how to use these tools as they can significantly aid in their learning process. A great part of learning is working on information and using it to create something that can be useful and edifying for humanity. Since the intention of education is to make learners become useful and productive citizens, the use of ICT tools can provide a lot of possibilities on how learners can do something with they know. Teachers can therefore employ ICT tools to their teaching. This direction of integrating ICT tools will reveal the usefulness of employing ICT tools in a wider range of the teaching and learning process. It emphasizes that ICT tools can enhance learning by allowing students to manipulate and apply information in meaningful ways, ultimately contributing to society. It also suggests that teachers can integrate these tools into their instruction, broadening the scope and effectiveness of the teaching and learning process. So it's so George Soros said that technology will never replace great teachers. That technology in the hands of great teachers is transformational. So, sabi dito is, hindi kailanman mapapalitan ng teknolohiya ang mga magagaling na guro, ngunit ang teknolohiya sa kamay ng isang magaling na guro ay nagbibigay ng malaking pagbabago sa pagtuturo. Let's continue. It is not necessarily the presence of advanced technology or the use of ICT tools that can ensure the success in engaging learners, but it still remains the effective use of ICT tools from which choose. When employed appropriately, the potential of their uses can have bearing on the lesson and learners' engagement in the process of learning. There are tools that can be used in providing practice or provide the chance to apply the skills taught. Even when working as a team or group, tools can be employed to facilitate the accomplishment of the task during the class of even after beyond the face-to-face session. So this says that the mere presence of usage of ICT tools doesn't guarantee successful learner engagement. Instead, it's the thoughtful and appropriate application of these tools, whether for individual practice, skill application, or group collaboration, that can enhance the learning process and extends its impact beyond traditional face-to-face sessions. Why use technology in teaching? Figure 1, ICT in education. It says that ICT in education is for administration, professional development, assessment, and for teaching learning. So, looking at the figure above, ICT integration in educational allows ease of processing of information, effectively accessibility to resource, easy sharing of resources, expression of creativity, and effective collaboration. Using mobile phone and the QR code. Since ICT integration allows ease of processing of information, here's an example of how we can read information at a quicker speed and in an interesting manner. What is QR code? Are you familiar with it? Familiarizing yourself with a QR code, it is the code that was created by a Japanese corporation, Denso Wave, in 1994, effectively and efficiently connecting the physical world with the electronic world. QR stands for Quick Response. This is popular in Japan, and it is also used by companies as they attach their QR code in the products. So you can easily read QR codes through QR code scanner. Here's all you need to do. First, have a mobile phone with camera. Number two, using the mobile phone, download from Play Store or App Store the QR code reader or scanner application. And number three, focus your camera in the QR code. Click it and message will be revealed to you. So here is how to make a QR code. Coding the QR code, then let's find in our mobile phone and then click. So this is it. So I will demonstrate how will you make your own QR code. Click the QR, create QR, and then if you want to make a QR code for URL, then click or text, contacts, email, SIMs, geo, phone, calendar, Wi-Fi. But we are here to make our own QR code. So that's it. You will write your name, the email, and then your address, the number, email, and you can write a text or quote you want to put it, and then click the check, and that's it. The QR code was made. So run it and save it as a JPEG file. So now you can have successfully created your own code which you can download. So that's it. Save. And the step 5 is test the QR code using your QR code reader or scanner. So that is how to make the QR code.
Using the laptop and the infographics, there is apparent deluge of information around, and access to this information is made easier through the internet. You are faced with one major question on how to best interpret it all and put it into one cohesive information that is quick and clear to read. In the teaching and learning context, you may face with a challenging topic given a short amount of time. How can you capture and deliver that information simply and effectively while making it engaging and informative as well? Infographics. Infographics are immediate answer to this situation. Infographics is another interesting tool to use in instructions. Before we proceed to the impact of using the laptop and the infographics, what is an infographic? An infographic is a visual representation or an image such as diagram, chart, or picture representing information or data. It is eye-catching and make use of a clear layout, attractive colors and hues, and caricatures that provide a cohesive presentation of information. Infographics can also be employed in marketing informations and ideas in the teaching and learning process. One tool that can be used in creating an infographic is Canva. So Canva is an app that you can download on Play Store. There are many impacts of using laptops and infographics in communication. Laptops and infographics have revolutionized communication by providing convenience, visual appeal, and enhanced engagement. This report delves into the benefits and application of using laptops and infographics in various aspects of our lives, including education, business, and personal use. The benefits of using laptops are A. Portability and convenience for work and leisure. B is increased productivity and efficiency with a wide range of software applications. C. Seamless connectivity and communication through email, video conferencing, and social media platforms. While the benefits of infographics are A. Visual appeal captures attention and enhances information retention. B is data visualization, simplifies complex information and statistics. And C, increased engagement and shareability on social media platforms. So that is the benefits of using laptops and the infographics. And there are also many benefits in different aspects of our lives, including A. Education. In education, infographics are interactive learning through access to educational resources and online courses. And also, it enhanced presentations and projects through visually appealing infographics. While in business, data analysis and reporting using laptop software capabilities, and it is also effective marketing and advertising through visually compelling infographics. So the conclusion of this report is the use of laptops and infographics has significantly impacted communication, providing convenience, visual appeal, and enhanced engagement. These tools have transformed education, business practices, and personal communication, shaping the way we learn, present information, and conduct business.
These are the uses of infographics. Number 1. To present survey data. Infographics can be used to visually represent survey findings such as bar graphs, pie charts, or other visualizations. This makes it easier for viewers to understand and interpret the data at a glance. Number 2. To simplify a complex concept. Infographics Infographics can break down complex ideas or processes into digestible, easy-to-understand visuals by using illustrations, diagrams, and concise text. Complex concepts can be made more accessible to a wider audience. Number 3. To present interesting facts. Infographics are great for presenting interesting or surprising facts in a visually appealing manner. By incorporating engaging visuals and brief text descriptions, infographics can capture attention and convey information in a memorable way. Number 4. To explain how something functions. Infographics can effectively illustrate how something works, whether it's a machine, a biological process, or a technological concept. By using step-by-step diagrams, annotations, and explanatory text, infographics can provide a clear understanding of complex mechanisms or systems. And lastly, number 5, to compare. Infographics can be used to compare different sets of data, products, services, or concepts. By organizing information side by side or using visual elements like bar charts, or Venn diagrams, infographics make it easy to compare and contrast different elements, helping viewers to make informed decisions or understand differences more clearly.
In this video shows a simple and easy yet quite stylish and interesting way to make an online bulletin board using. From your main screen, you click the Google app and you click the search and search for this link. And then you click the search button from your keyboard And there you go. This is the Padlet. I don't know if this is an app or this is just kind of a link. So you can log in for your account. If you don't have any account, then you can sign up using your Google account. Any account can do. Digital bulletin boards are easy to use, engaging, and accessible from anywhere, making them a better alternative to traditional corkboards. In this video, we will use Padlet to make a bulletin board. From the dashboard, click Make a Padlet. Bulletin boards are typically free-form with loosely organized content, so select the Format Canvas, which will allow contributors to post anywhere on the Padlet. Next, change the appearance of the Padlet. You can add a title, the description, and change the wallpaper. To share the Padlet, click the Share button. You can distribute the Padlet link with your community directly via email or social media. You can also click Copy Link to Clipboard to share the link in any channel, depending on your community. You may want to approve posts before they are visible to the public. If you do, click the Settings button and enable Require Approval. Now you will need to approve new posts as they are added. Guitar lessons, we can approve that. This GIF, not so much. Only approved posts will be visible to others. When a community member accesses the Padlet, they can catch up on the latest post using the activity panel. Click the activity button to see a feed of the post in chronological order. From this panel, others can also follow the Padlet. Since I created this Padlet, I'm following it by default. Other users will see a follow button. When you follow a Padlet, you will receive notifications about new posts, so you will know when the Padlet is updated.